You might be in a situation where you keep on losing the connection with your Wi-Fi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop Wi-Fi disconnecting on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's head on straight and open our settings app and click on Wi-Fi over here. Now, the first thing that you might want to check is that you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi and also you have inputted the correct password. So the modem might have been changed the password, and that might be the cause of this problem. So make sure you can just tap on this eye icon right here and see the details of your Wi-Fi if everything is stable. Now, if that is not the case, you go back to the page and click on General right here. Click on Software Update and let your phone check for update and make sure that you have installed the latest iOS version, because this might be the cause of having unstable Wi-Fi connection. So if it prompts you to download and install a specific update, just do so, and that might help in solving the problem. Now, if those steps does not work, the last thing that you can do is to restart your phone. So to do that, you can use your assistive touch. Click that, click on device, click on more, and click on restart right here. And then tap on restart right here to restart your iPhone and hopefully help on fixing your unstable Wi-Fi connection. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.